morning, welcome back to Cleaning is My Therapy. My name is Jamie, and I've got 11 tips on how I keep my house from smelling like pets. We have 3 dogs and 2 cats, so my house can get pretty smelly at times, and it had been raining. So tip 1 is to pull all of your blankets and pillows off of your furniture and just go in and give them a good washing. And I was using Tide disinfectant and my Gain laundry soap and fabric. I don't want to see them all. And tip 2 is to go in with some kind of fabric spray, a deodorizer, and a bacteria killer. And I am using the Tide one. I found that and I am obsessed with it. I love it. I spray it on all of my furniture, curtains, everything. And it makes my furniture smell so good. It just gets rid of all of that dog odor. It's just one of my favorite products. And also take your fabric spray and spray your curtains. Tip 3, put your favorite essential oil in your diffusers and just diffuse it and just get those fragrances going throughout your home. Tip 4 is to dust. Because of all the dog hair, dander, everything, it becomes a lot of dust. So dusting your ceiling fan, and this is actually for your blinds. But I found them at Home Depot. And I love it. I love it for the ceiling fan. There is no droppage from the dust, and it gets. Tip 5 is to vacuum your floors, your carpet, to get up all that dog hair and dander out of it.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing?
Tip 6 is mopping. And I'm going in with Pine Sol just to make my house smell really good and real clean. And Valkyrie was waiting on me to come back with the mop bucket and mop because she likes to chase it while I mop. She chases the vacuum too, but she was outside when I was vacuuming earlier. She's just so funny.
I won't make it easy for you now. You got 2 minutes of my time, and I don't really break too easily, but I'm worth it, cause I'll slip into your dreams tonight. Oh, so give me your all. I'll take it to Mars. Oh, I'll stick like glue inside your mind.
Tip 7, washing dog beds. If you can't take the covers off of the dog bed, then use a fabric disinfectant deodorized spray. I was using the Tide. So now I am going in to wash them, and that little things I just tossed in the washer catches all the dog hair as well. And I found those at Walmart where like the ironing boards and stuff like that is. And these are some of the dog beds in my bedroom, and I can't take the covers off, so I'm just going to spray them with this Tide disinfectant and deodorized spray that I found. And 9 is washing dog toys. I am doing about 4 or 5 caps of white distilled vinegar, and that is all I wash their toys in. It deodorizes them, it disinfects them, and it's not harmful to your pets at all. I never use laundry soap. 9 is to open up windows, your doors, just to air everything out and ignore my yard. It is a mess, and I need to run out and close that shed door because I still forgot to close it. Tip 10 is to change the AC filters. And here in a minute, you will see me write the day's date on it, and that helps me remember when I actually put those in and when they need to be changed.
Why you wanna let me go now? Are you saying that to change your mind? For love or pity, let me know now. Cause your love made me go blind. What am I hearing? Saying you're moving back.
Tip 11, give your fur babies a bath. That will help them smell better. I was having technical difficulties with my shower, so I'm having to use a cup with him. And he is the easiest one to give a bath. Thor does not sit still for me to give him a bath. And Valkyrie, she is just not having it. We are still trying to get her used to a bath, and she just doesn't like them at all. So he's the one that's getting the bath right now, and the one I'm going to film bathing. The other two, I am not going to bother filming that because, well, it's just going to be a mess.
On a run from my given disaster, speed away from the holy mind, pride. That's where I never.
I hope these 11 tips I have helped you guys, and I hope y'all enjoyed the video, and I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday, and I hope you guys have a wonderful weekend. And I do have my spring cleaning videos. They are coming up very soon. So coming up, I hope you guys are ready for a lot of spring cleaning motivation because they are coming so soon. And I am so excited, and I just can't wait to get started and get them done. But I have another video I'm working on right now, and that will be on Saturday. So, and then this one obviously is going up on Tuesday. But I hope you guys have a wonderful Tuesday and a wonderful weekend, and I will talk to you guys next week. Bye.